silence in the morning light. Shadows of us linger in the corners. Your scent is fading, but it haunts me tight. This empty space feels so much colder. Rain on the window like a sad goodbye. Whispers of dreams that we never shared. I see your face in every passerby. All movies ended, though we never cared. Echoes linger deep within my heart. Every beat a memory torn apart. Couldn't save us from the world outside. Now I'm left with tears I cannot hide. Our pictures hidden in an old shoebox. Proof of love that couldn't make a stand. Your ghost is moving through my ticking clocks. Time has taken our moments from my head. Nights getting colder like an endless void. Bed still unmade since the day you left. Memories and regrets, they coexist. A fragile heart and a soul bereft. Wishing you here with every aching breath. Loneliness, a curse that won't let go. In the silence, you're the only truth. But echoes fade before they ever show. Deep within my heart. Every beat a memory torn apart.